Well, I'm a hard-working man. I know it all for a piece of the promised land. Look, it's hailing. You're going to hell. Yeah, it's all going to hell in a handbasket, ain't it? Yeah. But look, that gutter, it just don't drain fast enough. Heck, I need cowboy boots to walk over there. Well, I don't have access to my cowboy boots right now. So I'm going to take a shortcut and slip on some Halliburtons. And these are my nephew Derek's, I think. It could be my dad's. But he used to wear, I forget what they call them, monkey boots or something like that. But anyway, Derek, if you ever see this, and these are yours, they're safely here and used from time to time. I should have cleaned them up before I put them up. Did I? Yeah. Yeah, pretty good. Enough to watch it walk across the floor. So let's go see what's going on out there. I've been working on it since I lived here in mind, and then eventually in action. So first of all, there's not enough overhang, and that eave doesn't have a gutter, and that causes that problem, and I know how to fix that. It's all up there. I'm not a roofer, and I'm not a gutter man, and you don't put gutters on those, so you just learn some stuff along the way, you know. This gutter is probably 6 inches wide and at least 4 inches deep and over 20 feet long. And this one pipe is supposed to drain it. Hell, it's barely draining. So something's clogged up again, and it's because of that bullshit right there from that tree right there. And fortunately, there's a French drain there. It's going to puddle up there. And I just fixed that. So, hell. I'm going to fix... What am I going to fix? I'm going to fix it. That's what I'm going to do. So, you just watch me. Okay, oops. Let's do it like that. Now, I gotta go get the water hose. That's why I got a cowboy hat on. That's why I got these rubber boots on too. A damn nasty hose. But I gotta fix that gutter. And it's probably full of crap, which means let's see what we got here. Pretty clean. I don't think so. So I'll take them off. Leave them right there for a second. I told you about that. I told you about that tree falling the other day. It crackled real loud. Now it's over. But still, we got a problem right there. And notice all those? I know I didn't throw those there. So it must have clogged up and they overflowed there. Nasty things. So, I need some light. Crap. I need my ladder. Shoot, man. Okay, let's get it over with because some more rain might come and we might need it. I'm burning the candle from both ends. Gotta keep the fire burning to outrun the wind. 'Cause I'm a hard working man. Got it all on the line for a piece of the promised land. And I'm burning a candle from both ends. You gotta keep the fire burning to outrun the wind. Yeah. We can't go on together with suspicious minds. And we can't build our dreams on suspicious minds. So if an old friend I know drops by to say hello, would I still see suspicion in your eyes? Now here we go again, asking where I've been. Can't you see the tears are real? I'm crying. I'm crying. We can go on together with suspicious minds. And we can build our dreams on suspicious minds. Oh, let our love survive. Let me dry the tears from your eyes. Let's not let a good thing die. 'Cause honey, you know I never lie to you. Ooh, no, I'd never lie to you. Oh yeah, boom, 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 boom. The car in the trap. Now I can't walk out. All right, look at this crap. There, it's just hanging off the side. It's just hanging off of the side. Can you see it? Makes me mad. I mean, that's just for starters. About it making me mad. Because I don't like, look at that. Look how deep it is. Let's see what she looks like up here. Yeah, my ladder's a little close, and I don't think I like being this high, but you know, sometimes you have to. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Exactly what I thought. So, we're gonna get rid of this crap. I don't want it on that grass. I'm totally sick of it. And it's like totally causing me problems. So, the gutter must be lower here than it was, or than it is elsewhere. Which should be the case if it would continue to get lower, but as you can see, it's raised up on the end. It's stupid. It's either, see how it's raised up on the end? And it's higher on that end, which it should be. But hadn't been properly maintained, or it wasn't properly installed. Who knows which? I would guess the maintenance, because I'm guilty of not maintaining gutters throughout my life. But I've never had one this bad. So, you know, the greasy wheel, the squeaky wheel gets the grease, so, you know, if the problem never revealed itself, there's a good chance, the way I am, that it didn't get fixed. Because we never knew it was broken. But look at that. Oh, look at that. Now she's going to come rushing out over there in a minute. And make sure the hole's not clogged up. And there she goes. Watch it over there. Yeah. It's even leaking there. There's so much pressure on it. See how much is coming out now? So, that's all it took. But damn, you got to do that every other day? Need to get the level out. Look at all that, man. No wonder. She's drained now. Ain't a problem in the world. She's all empty, see? All the way down here, all the way here, and all the way over there. So, of course, you know there's a few leaves in that flex pipe, but I fixed that today. Notice none of it did get on the patio, though. The only part that got on the patio was what the wind did. And that's where we get to the first problem I told you about, was there's not enough overhang. You know, if you're gonna have wind, you're gonna have a covered patio, man. I don't know. That's why it's so hard. That's why I don't like moving, because it's hard to find a house that pleases me. There's no leaves in it now. Yep, it's all gone. But I found a bunch of leaves in it the other day. Look at all that. Mostly those little boogers right there. You know? And there's another kind too. There was that little berry looking thing. These little things. These berry looking ones. They came off. What's weird is those both look like maples. I know what happened. I remember now. At first, that one and that one too, because they're the same kind of tree. But I noticed this one had, it was like red berry type droppings, seeds, whatever. These are seeds, I think, the latter. But maybe there's two kinds of seeds. Maybe it's a transgender tree. I don't know. I really don't. But as it turns out, they're both the same, and I don't recall that about this one. So there is a such thing as a male and a female, I believe, but I don't know anything about it. It's not my expertise. So see how that water goes clear to that fence over there? I was going to use that dirt to send water that way. The drain starts where the grass is, kind of, and just goes right along here. So this water will recede quickly. In fact, see how it's standing? We saw how it was. It was over the yellow stripe on my boot. That's 1.5 inches, so it's probably 2 inches standing anyway, maybe more. But I'm going to put the clock on it and see how long it takes to drain, and I will let you know.